Alright friends, we should be done with our problem of the day by now. Let's take a look. Selena has saved $354. How much more money does she need to save to buy a computer that costs $732? Okay. Alright, so if I'm understanding correctly, she wants to buy a computer, right? The computer costs $732. $732, right? Now it says that she's saved this much money and she needs some more money to buy it, right? So she doesn't have all the money. So far she has saved $354. Now she needs some more money. We don't know how much more. Now how am I going to find out? Oh, I know. I can just subtract from the total, right? So the total we need is 732. We have 354. So that means I need to find the difference, right? So let's go ahead and subtract. 2 minus 4, can't do it. Borrow from your neighbor. 12 minus 4 is 8. 2 minus 5, can't do it. Borrow from your neighbor. All right, 12 minus 5, that's going to be 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. So how much more money does she need? She needs $378 more to buy the computer, right? All right, go ahead and box your answer and you're good to go, right? Now that's our problem of the day, everybody. We should be switching to our I do. Let me get to my I do right now. All right, here we have it. So today we're going to be dividing by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now we already know how to multiply by tens, hundreds, and thousands, right? So like for example, 9 times 10, we know the trick is that there's a 0 here, so we move it over here, and then we move the 9 over here, right? Then we do 9 times 100, for example. Same thing, you got 2 zeros, you're going to move the 2 zeros over here, and then you're going to move that 9 over. So 9 times 100 becomes 900, 9 times 10 becomes 90. So your product gets bigger, right? Gets bigger than this number here. So the 9 becomes 90, the 9 becomes 900. So that one's always getting bigger. Let's take a look at it on the place value chart here. So OTH, I'm going to do 9 times 100 on that. So first we start off with just a 9, right? Then when we do times 100, it moves HTO, it moves over, right? It moves 2 places to the left. So it becomes 900, correct? So now we're going to do the opposite, okay? And the opposite of multiplication is division, of course. So let's take a look here. Find the quotient of each division problem below. Now, this is my dividend, right? So, and this is my divisor. Just for reference, I'll be talking about it. And then my answer is called my quotient. So let's go ahead and find the quotient. So 900 divided by 10. My first step is to put it in a place value chart. So I got 1, 2, 3 places. OTH. 900 divided by 10 equals, and I'm going to put another place value chart on this side, HTO. Let's see. Now, how many sets of 10 do I have? I just have one set of 10. That means I'm going to move the number 1 place. So that's 1 place, so it will become 90. So let's take a look here. Just to double check, I'm going to go 900 divided by 10. So here on my divisor, I've got 1 0. On my dividend, I have to take away 1 0. And my quotient becomes 90. Is that the same thing I got up here? Sure is. All right, so in the division problem, your quotient will move to the right of the place value chart. So also, do you notice that your quotient becomes smaller than your dividend? Because in division, your quotient is always smaller than your dividend, okay? So your number has to become smaller. So let's take a look here. Let's do the next one. 900 divided by 100. So let's go ahead and put in a place value chart. That's my first step all the time. I got 3 places. 900 divided by 100 equals another place value chart on this side, OTH. Now, how many sets of tens do I have here? See, I'll tell you a trick. I have 2 zeros, so I'm going to have 2 sets of tens. That means I will move the 900 2 place values, right? So now my 9 will go here. All right, so let's double check that that's correct. 900 divided by 100. All right, so my divisor has 2 zeros. I gotta take 2 zeros out of my dividend. I am left with a 9. Is that correct? Oh, sure is. All right. So my quotient, remember, it became smaller. So the 9 is smaller than 900. So my quotient became smaller as well. So that's good. That means I've got to be correct, right? All right, let's take a look at the next we do before we let you go. We'll do this again. The first step is place value chart. I got OTH, TH, TTH. So let's go ahead and do that. OTH, TH, TTH. So that is 13,000. Let me go ahead and write that. 13,000 divided by 100 equals, not sure yet. Let's go ahead and write that place value chart. OTH, comma, TH, and then TTH. Remember, when I'm dividing, my number moves to the right on the place value chart. How many positions will it move to the right? Let's see. How many sets of 10 do I have? I got 2 sets of 10. So it's going to move 2 places, 1 and 2 places. So it's going to be 1, 3, 0. Let's see if that's correct here. We'll double check it. 13,000 divided by 100. In my divisor, I have 2 zeros. In my dividend, I got to take away 2 zeros. Looks like I have 1, 3, 0. Yep, that's the same. Nicely done, class. Let's go ahead and move on to the last one before you do your own independent practice. So that's going to be 13,000 again. So that's again OTH, comma, TH, and TTH. 13,000 divided by 1,000 equals, let's draw that place value chart again. OTH, TH, whoop, wrong place, TTH. All right, let's see what it becomes. How many sets of 10s do I have here? How many places will I have to move? Let's see, I have 1, 2, and 3 zeros. So that means I will have 10 times 10 times 10. How many places is that? That's going to be 3 places. So 1, 2, 3, and then I will start 1, 3. Okay, so 13,000 divided by 1,000 equals 13. Let's double check that that's correct. 13,000 divided by 1,000. All right, in my divisor I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. In my dividend, I'll take away 1, 2, 3 zeros. I'm left with 13. That is correct. Well done, class. You should be ready to start your independent practice now.